Hello everyone and welcome back to the API video series on the HPE GreenLake platform. In our last video, we delved into token generation, a crucial step for API security. Today, we are on to the next leg, device onboarding via APIs. We'll start by adding the device, then attaching subscriptions and applications using various IDs. Finally, we'll explore the audit logs providing insight into all executed tasks. So let's dive in. As always, our journey begins at the developer portal, navigating to Devices and Add Devices API. Armed with the device's serial number and MAC address, crucial for the networking gear acquired during purchase, we input this information alongside the bearer token and click Send. Upon confirmation, the device is seamlessly added to the platform. Verifying this through the user interface, we'll notice the device is successfully integrated, albeit without any attached applications or subscriptions yet. To proceed, we'll execute the next three APIs, beginning with the device ID retrieval. First, we'll utilize the Get Devices Managed in a Workspace API located under the Devices tab. Here, we'll locate the recently added device and make note of its corresponding ID. Next, we'll navigate to the Service Manager tab and access Get Service Managers API. Within this interface, we'll specifically seek out the application ID for Aruba Central as we are integrating an access point into the platform. Be sure to record this ID for future reference. Finally, we'll transition to the Subscriptions tab and utilize the Get Subscriptions of a Workspace API. Here, our focus is on identifying the Advanced AP subscription ID, which we'll carefully document for our records. With our three essential IDs in hand, we return to the Devices section and utilize the Update Devices API. In the first step, we integrate the Aruba Central application with the device, followed by adding the subscription in step 2. Remember to include the device ID and desired deployment region for both actions. We can verify on the GUI that the Aruba Central application has been successfully added to the device. Finally, we complete the onboarding process by making another API call with the subscription ID, region, and device ID. This action will be reflected in the GUI, marking the conclusion of the onboarding process. Upon clicking on the device, you can check all the details about the device like the serial number, part number, model, application, subscription, etc. In the final segment of the video, all the tasks performed are meticulously logged for record keeping and audit purposes. These logs can be accessed via API to ensure transparency and accountability. This time, I will demonstrate how you can call the API using your preferred editor instead of relying solely on the built-in tool. Personally, I prefer Python for scripting due to its brevity and simplicity, as you'll soon witness in the concise code demonstration. Here, we'll find detailed records of all the actions, including adding the device, retrieving various IDs, and updating the device. Thank you very much for watching this video.